Today we're talking about a journey that's both challenging and transformative. It's a journey from heartbreak to happiness. How to find yourself again after a divorce and create a life full of joy and growth. Divorce can feel like a giant storm. It can be confusing, painful, and overwhelming. But here's the good news. There are powerful, transformative ways to cope that can help bring light back into your life. First, let's talk about self-compassion. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or lost. Acknowledge those feelings without judgment. Treat yourself with the kindness you'd offer a friend. Remember, healing takes time, and it's okay to be patient with yourself. Next is rebuilding routines. Simple things like morning walks, cooking a healthy meal, or reading a favorite book. Create small but powerful moments of stability. These daily routines are like tiny building blocks that can help you start feeling stronger and more in control. One of the most transformative steps is finding connection. Lean on friends, family, or even support groups. Sharing your feelings and being around people who care can remind you that you're not alone on this journey. And then there's discovering joy in new passions. This might be a new hobby, learning a skill, or even taking a class. Trying new things can help you reconnect with yourself and feel a spark of excitement for the future. Finally, remember that forgiveness of yourself and others can be freeing. Letting go of blame or regret allows you to move forward, leaving room for happiness and peace. From heartbreak to happiness, this journey may be hard, but it's also filled with hope. Each step is a reminder that you're growing stronger, wiser, and closer to a life where joy, peace, and fulfillment are possible again. Remember, healing takes time, and every small step you take brings you closer to the happiness waiting on the other side. You've got this.